How did you decide to become a hacker?
Well, I'm not really sure what it means to become a hacker. That's like some guy in a hoodie who types really fast and stays up all night writing code and cracking passwords. Not me. I just spy on people and see what makes them click. It's not a bad job.
Mark Henning, CEO of Qualitard, set to report earnings after their blockbuster IPO.
So you consider this a job?
I put a lot of work into this. I'm not lazy. It takes research to figure out the key players, how to use them, and families and friends they care about. You have to understand a company's organization. I get a lot of my information from the sales department because they're always the communicators. They're hungry. People trust too easily. They don't look at the details. I do. Details matter. That's what I'm good at. It has to look completely believable. It has to look familiar. This is where research is important. It's not some generic piece of spam. It's an email from boss with their company's signature. It's written in the voice of the boss. It's what he would say if he were writing this.
What about the malware itself? How does that work?
Somebody else out there already wrote all the code that does the actual attack. I'm just using it in the attachment. My skill is in my ability to get a bunch of people to click on that attachment. I always wonder what it's like when the whole thing unfolds on their end, when the panic sets in.
Leave your message after the beep. Hey, this is Rajiv in finance. Call me as soon as you get this. Some stuff with my laptop. I can't hear you. Want to wait in the office? What's going on with our file servers?
Karen in HR, our benefits dashboard is really slow. We're getting calls from users on it. Calling users.
Joining conference now.
Apparently, there's a malware attack targeting our
It's
names.
ransomware. They're holding us hostage. We're locked out of everything. I can't even check my phone. What about the backup?
That will take days.
We need this fixed now. Just pay it. We don't have a choice. We're reporting earnings in 2 hours.
But how do we know
Just
that that will...
pay it. Put every single person on getting us back up and running. That's the only priority now. Okay, it's done. I have the decrypt key.